Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Welcome to another live broadcast. Now, in today's live video, I'm going to talk about septic tank and soakaway excuse me, installation. So, how easy is it to install your own septic tank and soakaway? What septic tank should you use? Which soakaway product should you use? Is it worth doing yourself, or should you get someone else to install it? Well, I'm going to answer all those questions in this video now. Okay, so let's get straight into this. Okay, so let me just share my screen here with you. All right. So, these are some different types of septic tank installation. You probably had a look on Google and images. So let's just have a quick look at different types of septic tank installation. So here's someone installing a low profile septic tank. Here's someone installing an onion shape septic tank. There are so many different kinds of septic tanks on the market. You've got concrete septic tanks that can be installed, right? Depending on which country you live in, that's another kind of popular septic tank. In the Caribbean, in America, it's called Rhino. Here you go, here's some guys adjusting and finalising the installation of a concrete septic tank. Here's a sewage treatment plant being installed to a house. And there you go. So those are the different types of scenarios. There's loads more. But I wanted to show you this video because there's a really simple and easy way. Let me just get that off there. I'm going to show you, oops, 2 seconds. There you go. At least you can tell this is live, right? So